The Invita display system is an aluminum tube frame with tool-less push-button connectors and a pillowcase-style fabric cover. Remove the graphic cover and frame pieces from the case. Remove the plastic protective sleeves from the frame pieces. Your frame package will include the fabric cover, frame pieces, feet, a plastic protective sheet for laying out the graphic, white gloves, and a soft-sided case. Elastic bands hold frame pieces tightly together for compact packaging. Keep the bands for repackaging. The vertical and horizontal tubes are shock-corded in segments to make setup easier. Lay out frame pieces matching the number labels on each joint, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, etc. On the straight frames, the bottom horizontal corners are right angles. Identify the bottom section of a straight frame by matching the labeling on the corner pieces to the labeling on the horizontal assembly. Curved frames do not use feet and do not have a top or bottom. Match labeling to connect the vertical assembly to the lower corner piece. Now connect the curved top corner piece to the vertical and horizontal top assembly. Insert the center vertical assembly followed by the final outer frame piece. Insert horizontal support pole. You are now ready to install the fabric cover. If your floor is dusty, use the protective plastic sheet to keep the cover clean. Remove the cover from the poly storage bag. Retain bag for repacking. Slide the pillowcase style cover over the frame about a quarter of the way over the top of the frame. If installing lights on a double-sided cover, now is the time to thread the light cords between fabric layers and through the buttonholes at the top of the cover. The light cords should protrude about 12 inches on the top outside of the cover. At the bottom of the display, the cord will exit the cover at the zipper closure. On large frames, you may need to use an extension cord. Evenly pull cover sides down along the frame, creating a wrinkle-free, snug fit. The cover can be installed with or without the feet, depending on which is easier in your location. The feet will need to be removed before zipping the cover. Zip the cover closed by pulling the fabric together about 6 inches before the zipper as you move along the frame. A curved frame has 2 zipper pulls. Use both pulls to zip from each side of the cover, and then slide both zipper pulls to one side so they do not interfere when the display is standing. Install the feet and lock in place with the push-button connectors. Slide the TradeWinds LED arm light onto the Invita light clip on the frame. Double-sided graphics will have the light cord between the fabric layers, and a single-sided graphic will have the light cords on the back of the display.